everyone, welcome to the online classes of St. Xavier's Public School. It's English time, so everyone get ready? Yes? Okay, let's start. In the previous day, we learned how to write A, B, C, D, E. And today, we learn and write F, G, H, I, J. So everyone, please take out your English copy and watch very carefully how to write F, how to write G, how to write H, how to write I, and how to write J. Okay. Today we learn 5 letters. So everyone, watch very carefully. Okay. So let's start. First we write F. G. H. I. J. So everyone, keep practicing at your home. Bye bye. Thank you.